Hello and welcome to my new exciting videos about 120 plus nail art ideas. Fall nail art is all about capturing the cozy and colorful feelings of autumn on your nails. With warm and earthy colors, you can create beautiful designs that remind you of the season's beauty. You can paint your nails in shades of orange and red like the leaves falling from the trees. Brown color can make your nails look like wooden cabins, and you can add tiny pictures of acorn for cute touch. Gold and bronze colors can make your nails shine like the sun on a crisp fall day. Pleat patterns on your nails can remind you of comfy flannel shirts. You can also paint simple trees against a pretty evening sky for a magical look. If you can use colors that change gradually, like the way summer changes into fall. Using shiny foil in colors like copper can make your nails look really fancy. You might even try putting small owls or foxes on your nails for a playful style. Leaves are a big part of fall, so you can use stencils to put leaf shapes on your nails. Each nails can be different, like a little artwork. Dark red nails can make you think of sipping warm wine by the fireplace. Metallic touches on your nails can make them look modern and cool. You can also try drawing simple shapes in fall colors for a trendy look. Cute pumpkins on your nails can make them look adorable. Adding tiny charms that look like leaves and acorns can make your nails pop out. Glitter that shines like raindrops can make your nails look magical. Gray colors can make your nails look like a foggy fall morning. Reddish colors like a cranberry can make your nails look rich and toasty. You can even make your nails look like they're wearing cozy sweaters with special textures. Adding shiny stones to dark gray nails can make them look like the night sky. Your nails can look fuzzy like they are wearing mittens, mixing browns. Remember, fall nails art is fall about celebrating the season's beauty on your fingertips, whether you want simple designs or more detailed ones. Fall nail art lets you carry the cozy and colorful feelings or autumn wherever you go. Fall nail art captures the essence of autumn with warm earthy colors, shades of orange and red mimic feelings leaves, while brown hues evoke cozy cabins. Gold and bronze bring a touch of sunlight to your nails. Plaid patterns on nails resembles comfy flannel shirts, adding a cozy touch to your look. You can experiment with different colors and sizes to match your style. Nature inspired designs like simple trees against a colorful sky create a magical atmosphere on your nails. It's a beautiful way to showcase the wonders of fall. Using colors that transitions from summer to fall, your nails can tell the story of changing seasons. These gradient designs are trendy and eye-catching. Playful animals like owls and fox can be added to your nails for a touch of whimsy. These assets bring a light-hearted feel to your nail art. Stencils leaf shapes make each nail a unique work for art. You can celebrate the season's foliage with these charming designs. Texture nails resembling cozy sweaters and warmth to your look. The tactile element brings an extra dimensions to your nail art. Metallic touches lend a modern and glamorous vibe to your nails. These accents catch the light and add a sophisticated touch. Tiny charms like leaves and acorns can be attached to your nails for added cuteness. These 3D elements make your nail art stand out. Glittery nails resembling dewdrops or raindrops create a magical and ethereal effect. This sparkle adds a touch of fantasy to your nails. Muted green shades capture the tranquility of evergreen trees. In autumn, these nails are perfect for those who love the simple beauty of nature. Pumpkin spice late inspired nails capture the essence of fall's favorite beverage. These nails exude warmth and comfort. Adding small gemstones to dark gray nails creates a starry night sky effect. These elegant details add a touch of luxury. Fuzzy, fuzzy nail art recreates the cozy texture of scrapes and mittens. These nails are like a warm, huge hug for your fingertips. Gel toned gradient nails mirror the changing light and colors of autumn. These nails are like wearable pieces of art. Nails adorned with black cat or pumpkins motifs bring a playful Halloween spirit. These designs are both fun and fascinating, and tendril patterns create a whimsical and nature-inspired look. These nails are like a stroll through an enhancement garden. Nails in matte navy capture the serene and starry nights of autumn. These nails are perfect for stage stargazers. Using metallic foil flakes can make your nails look opulent and regal. These acids add a touch of luxury onto your nail art. Fall nail art lets you carry the spirit of autumn with wherever you go. Whether you prefer simple or intricate designs, your nails can become a canvas of celebrating the beauty of the season. You can paint your nails in shades of orange and red like the leaves falling from the trees. Brown colors can make your nails look like wooden cabins, and you can add tiny pictures of icons for a cute touch. Gold and bronze colors can make your nails shine like the sun on a crisp fall day. Plate patterns on your nails can remind you of comfy flannel shirts. You can also paint simple trees against a pretty evening sky for a magical look. If you like, you can use colors that change gradually, like the way summer changes into the fall. Using shiny foil in colors like copper can make your nails look really fancy. You might even try putting small owls or foxes on your nails for a playful style. Leaves are a big part of fall, so you can use stencils to put leaf shapes on your nails. Each nail can be different, like a little artwork. Dark red nails can make you think of sipping warm wine by the fireplace. Metallic touches on your nails can make them look modern and cool. You can also try simple shapes in fall colors for a trendy look. Cute pumpkins on your nails can make them look adorable. Adding teeny charms that look like leaves and acorns can make your nails pop out. Glitter shines like raindrops can make your nails look magical. Gray colors can make your nails look like foggy fall morning. Reddish colors like cranberry can make your nails look rich and tasty. You can even make your nails look like they are wearing cozy sweaters with special textures. Adding skinny, shiny stones to dark gray colors can make them look like the night sky. Your nails can look fully like they are wearing mittens. Mixing brown and blue colors can give your nails a cool pattern. You can even make your nails look like freshly baked pies and spice.